Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome today in the daily newspaper of Thursday, June the 20th, 2024. We have here three regular puzzles. Those puzzles are the 3 stars, the 4 stars Sudoku, and the Jigsaw Sudoku, aka Tectonic. In today's newspaper, we have also an additional extra puzzles, and those puzzles are the letter Sudoku, the 2 stars, the 3 stars, and the 4 stars Sudoku. We have two Jigsaw Sudokus, one with 4 stars, one with 1 star, and the last puzzle is the binary puzzle. These puzzles I'm not interested. Total of 7 extra puzzles. 4 of them I will solve in the evening, not now. Now I will start with these 3 regular puzzles. News of the day, well, Donald Sutherland has died. Yeah, I believe 88 years. 80 old, yeah, 88 years old. Alright, start with the first one. The 3 star Sudoku number. This will be number 8754. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. 28 printed digits. Well, usually the 3 stars has 25 printed digits. This one has 3 digits more. Should be a 1 star or maybe a 0 stars. 0 stars puzzle need to be faster than 13 minutes. Well, it's indicated with 3 stars, and for a 3 stars I need 20 to 30 minutes to solve. That's my time limit. Alright, so let's get started. 4 in this column, 4 in the middle column, so the column next, the only place left the 4, it should be there. Then. Okay, these are 3 missing numbers in this big square. The numbers the 1 and 2. 3 is missing. Nope. 3, 4, 5, 6 is missing. 7, 8 is missing. 9 is missing. 6, 8, 9. And look, we have 8 in this row, no 8 there. 8 in that row, no 8 there. So the only place left the 8 should be there. So the 6 and the 9 are left. Okay. Then 8 in this column, 8 in the column next. So in the last column, the only 2 places left for the 8 should be here or there. We have 8 in this first row, no 8 there. 8 should be here. 8, 8. 8, 8. Cannot continue with 8 now. Need to wait. How about the 1 in this column? 1 in the third column. So the column 3 in the second column. The only place left the 1 should be there. 1 in this row, 1 in the last row, so the row between. Only place left the 1 should be there. 1 in the last column, 1 in the column next. On that column, the only 3 places left for the 1 should be here, here, and there. We have a 1 in this row, no 1 there. 1 in the middle row, no 1 there. The only place left for the 1 should be there. 1 in the first row, 1 in the second row, so on the third row, the only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We have 1 in the column, no 1 there, 1 should be there. And all the 1s are used. I can see. This is number 1. Alright. Then, let me see. How about the number 5 in the last column? 5 in the column next. So in that column, the only 2 places left for 5 should be here or there. We have a 5 in this row. No 5 there. 5 should be there. 5 in the third row. 5 in the second row. So in the first row, the only place left for 5 should be there. 5 in this column, 5 in the middle column, so the column next. Only 2 places left, the 5 should be here or there. We have 5 in this row, no 5 there, 5 should be here. 5 in this row, last row. 5 in the row above. So that row, the only place left of 5 should be there. 5 in the third column, 5 in the second column. So the first column, the only 2 places left of 5 should be here or there. We have 5 in the middle row, no 5 there. 5 should be here. And all the 5s are used. I can see. Digit number 2, number 5. Okay. Then. How about 2 in this column, 2 in the last column, so the column 3. The only place left 2 should be there. 2 in this row, 2 in the row below, so the last row, the only 2 places left 2 should be here or there. We have a 2 in this column, no 2 there, 2 should be there. In this first row, we have 4 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is a 2. We have a 2 in this big square, so no 2 in these 2 boxes. So the 2 could be here, could be there. Here or there, we see another 2 in this column. No 2 there, 2 should be there. 2 in the first row, 2 in the third row. So the row between the second row, the only 2 places left to 2 should be here or there. We have a 2 in this second column, no 2 there, 2 should be here. 2 in the first column, 2 in the second column, so in the third column. The only 3 places left to 2 should be here, here, or there. We have a 2 in this row, no 2 there. 2 in that row, no 2 there. The only place left to 2 should be there. And all the 2s are used. I can't see. Digit number 3, number 2. Alright. Then, let me see. 3. 3 missing numbers in the first row. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, 3 is missing, the 4, the 5, 6 is missing, and the 7 is missing. 3, 6, 7. 3, 6, 7, 3, 6, 7, 3, 6, 7. And look, we have 3 and a 7 in this column. So no 3 and a 7 in this box. 3 and a 7 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 3 and 7, 3 and 7. We have a 7 in this column, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and a 3 goes there. So 1 digit left in the first row for number 6. Alright, 6. 7 in the last column, 7 in the column next. So that column, the only place left is 7 should be there. 7 in this row, 7 in the middle row. So the row above, the only place left is 7 should be there. 7. Okay. 7. Need a 7 there. Cannot continue with the 7 now. Need to wait. 7, 3, 9. Okay. 9. Come on. Alright. 4. Need a 4 here. 4 and 6. Yeah, 2 missing numbers in this big square. One number is the 1, the 2, 3, 4 is missing. 5 and a 6 is missing. 4 and a 6, 4 and a 6. We have a 6 in this column, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and a 4 goes there. 1 digit left in this column. For number the 1, the 2, 3 is missing here. 2 numbers left in this big square. One was the 1. The 2, 3, 4 is missing. The 5, the 6, the 7, 8, 9 is missing. 4 and a 9, 4 and a 9. We have a 4 in this row, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and then 9 goes, and there. 1 box left in this row for number 1. No, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 is missing here. 2 missing numbers in the last column. For numbers 1, the 2, 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, and the 6 is missing. 3 and the 6, 3 and the 6. Cannot fill this yet. How about these 2 missing numbers in this column? For numbers, the 1, the 2, the 3, 4 is missing. The 5, the 6, the 7, 8, 9 is missing. 4 and 9, 4 and 9. We have a 4 in this row, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and then 9 goes there. 6 and a 9, we have a 9 now in this row, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and a 6 goes there. 3 and a 6, we have a 6 now in this row, no 6 there. 6 should be here. 3 goes there. So we have a 6 in this row, 6 in the middle row, so the row below, the only 2 places left, the 6 should be here or there. We have a 6 in this column, no 6 there, 6 should be there. 6 in the third column, 6 in the second column, so the first column, the only 2 places left, the 6 should be here or there. We have a 6 in this row, no 6 there, 6 should be there. And all the 6s are used. I can see. Digit number 4, number 6. Okay, 1 box left now in this row. For number 1, the 2, the 3, the 4 is missing. 4 in this row. Last row, 4 in that row. So the row between. The only 2 places left, the 4 should be here or there. We have 4 in this column, no 4 there. 4 should be there. 4 in the first column, 4 in the third column, so the column between the second column. We have a pair, the 4 and the 7 in this column, the 4 and the 7 in the third column. So the column between the second column, the only 2 places left for the 4 and the 7 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair, 4 and the 7, 4 and the 7. We have 4 in the second row, no 4 there, 4 should be here, and the 7 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square for the 1, the 2. 3 is missing, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, 9 is missing, 3 and 9, 3 and 9. Let me mark those 2 boxes. That means 1 digit left in this row for the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, 7 is missing here. 7 in this column, 7 in the middle column, so will come next. The only place left is 7 should be there. 2 numbers left now in this big square for numbers 1, the 2. 3 is missing, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, 9 is missing. 3 and 9, 3 and 9. We have 9 in this column, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 3 goes there. 1 box left now in this column for number 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, 7, 8, 9 is missing here. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, 6, and 7. 8 is missing, 9 is missing, 8 and 9, 8 and 9. We have 9 in this row, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 8 goes there. 3 and 9, we have a 9 in the third column, no 9 there. 9 should be here, 3 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1, the 2, the 3 is missing, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8. 9 is missing, 3 and 9, 3 and 9. We have 9 in this column, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 3 goes there. And the final 2 numbers in this big square are the numbers, the 1, the 2, 3 is missing, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7. 8 is missing, 3 and 8, 3 and 8. We have 3 in this row, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and 8 goes there. Finished in 12 minutes. Well. Told you. Should be a 0 stars instead of a 3 stars. Wrong indication, publisher. But we solve it again, and I like this one, yes, I really do. If you think so, thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it all solve by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and we'll see you in a minute with the other 2 regular puzzles. Until then, bye-bye for now.